underneath the Earth's crust. Oxygen in Earth's atmosphere turned iron into rust. The dinosaurs were formed out of interstellar dust. And then came the future. Where are my flying cars if this is the future? Why are we living in the stars? It's time for rap talk.
And dinosaurs.
Don't just sit there and gawk. Like geologists in Massachusetts. Let's rock. It's rocket talk.
Dinosaurs. Dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs, dinosaurs, ladies and gentlemen,
Dinosaurs.
it is my great pleasure to introduce your most fabulous host and masteress of ceremonies, the wondrous Becky Ferreira.